What is going on, everybody? Travis with Spray Day LLC, and today we have some surface cleaning that I'm going to be doing for two very good friends of mine, Richard Cook and Jimmy Davis, and this is going to be for their company. Now, this is for Air Solutions Heating and Cooling, which also has a special place in my heart. They're actually the ones who gave me a chance when I was first retired from the Air Force. They brought me in, showed me the ropes of the HVAC world, and gave me all my sales training and everything that set me up and did very well. And I'm very, very thankful for those guys. Learned so much from both of them. And they're actually the ones who also planted that seed in my brain that, you know, being an entrepreneur and running your own business is a possibility. It's definitely something you can do. And I'm just very grateful for both of them. So anytime they call me and I can come clean up the storefront, the business front for them at Air Solutions, I'm always thrilled to do it. So stick around, and we're gonna go knock out some surface cleaning. All right, guys, we made it. And we're gonna clean up parking space for them. Got some stuff moved out of the way. First thing I'm gonna do is pre-treat all the concrete with a super hot SH mix, bleach mix. Let that dwell, kill off all these organic spots, especially over here where it stays in the shade a lot. It gets a lot of moisture. That's where all that's organic likes to thrive. So we're gonna pre-treat it, let it soak, hit it with the surface cleaner, and then we're gonna rinse off all the debris that brings up, and then post-treat. So same thing, once we get all dirt all off, rinse all the debris again, we're gonna go back, hit it with super hot bleach, and that'll help kill off anything that's brought to the surface. And it's a pro tip, helps with getting rid of those black stripes that you see when you do your pressure washing. So if you're new to it, guys, highly recommend when you're doing surface cleaning, concrete cleaning, pre-treat, post-treat your concrete. It makes a world of difference. All right, let's do it. Guys, all I'm doing here is just laying down that pre-treatment. Got a really hot mix here. Knock off all that ugly. And before I started laying down the chemical, I did wet all the concrete. It's not super hot yet, but definitely wanted to cool it down. That way this didn't dry too fast, give it a good chance to dwell, kill everything off the top. I mean, it really makes a big difference cleaning the concrete or brick, pavers. And I'm just starting up at the top and then just working my way back to the truck. And we're just going to this line right here, in case you wonder why I'm not doing the whole thing. That's what we talked about. That's what they wanted done until they get a little bit more grading and stuff. They got some trucks that are going to be coming in and out of the back, so not a problem. And I'm downstreaming all this right now. Or actually, sorry, not downstreaming. I'm using my AR-45. That roof pump. This is a pretty big area. I mean, you can do it with a 12-volt system, no problem, but figured, hey, I got it. Might as well use it. Shots fired. All right, so you can see I got the pre-treatment down. We're just gonna let that sit and dwell. I already got my hose pulled out. That's the high pressure hose you see laying over there. Got it up out the way. And I got some people that are gonna be coming in and out, and I don't want them to run over that high pressure hose, so that's kind of why we have it set up like we do right there. So now we're gonna get out the surface cleaner. you haven't already, do me a favor, guys, hit that subscribe button, press that like, set your alerts, and you'll see every time I put a new video out, you'll get the update and be the first to watch it. So thanks again for watching, guys. Go lay down this post treatment.